Here reactions of aldehyde and ketone. 7 reactions are completed. First reaction, that is addition reaction. Then second, condensation reaction. Third reaction is haloform reaction. Fourth is, that is aldol condensation reaction. Then fifth, Cannizzaro reaction. Sixth, oxidation reaction. Seventh, reduction reaction. Then today we see here eighth reaction, that is electrophilic substitution reaction. First, electrophilic substitution reaction means what? Here electrophilic substitution reaction means when one electrophile is substituted by another nucleophile, then one electrophile is substituted by another electrophile, then that reaction is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. One electrophile is substituted to the another electrophile, then that reaction is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, aromatic aldehyde and ketone undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction such as nitration, sulfonation, halogenation. Means if hydrogen atom is replaced by nitro group, substituted by nitro group, means one electrophile is substituted by another electrophile, then that type of reaction is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. Here aromatic aldehydes, for example benzaldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde. Your formula is benzene ring, CHO group is attached to the benzene ring, then that compound is known as benzaldehyde. This benzaldehyde is heated with mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Here the mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, this mixture is taken in the ratio, that is 1:2, then that mixture is known as nitrating mixture. Here this benzaldehyde when heated with concentrated nitric acid, here heated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid, means benzaldehyde undergoes nitration, that is HONO2. This is a concentrated nitric acid, HNO3, and concentrated sulfuric acid heat. Then we get here this benzaldehyde, means this aldehyde group, this formyl group is a deactivating group, means here formaldehyde, that is formyl group, or here aldehyde group or ketonic group, that is C double bond O group, means aldehyde means CHO group, ketonic group means C double bond O group. These groups are a electron withdrawing group and they deactivates the benzene ring. This CHO group means formyl group, or this is also known as, that is aldehyde group, functional group is CHO. This CHO group or ketonic group, they deactivates this benzene ring at ortho and para positions. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी हा जो अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप असेल किंवा कीटोनिक ग्रुप सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ ग्रुप जर असेल, आपण कीटोनचे एक्झाम्पल घेतलं तर त्या ठिकाणी कोणता ग्रुप येईल, सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ ग्रुप येईल. तर तो ग्रुप काय करतो, त्या बेन्झीन रिंगची ऍक्टिव्हिटी कमी करतो, रिॲक्टिव्हिटी कमी करतो. आणि त्या ठिकाणी ऍक्टिव्हिटी कुठली कमी करतो, तर ऑर्थो पोझिशनची आणि पॅरा पोझिशनची ऍक्टिव्हिटी कमी केली जाते. आता यामध्ये ऑर्थो पोझिशन कोणती, दिस इज कार्बन नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If substituent groups are attached to the successive carbon atom of the benzene ring, then that position is known as ortho position. Means position 2, 6 is known as ortho position. Then if substituent groups are attached to the alternate carbon atom of the benzene ring, then that position is known as meta position. Means position 3 and 5 is called as meta position. And position number here 4 is called as para position. Here this aldehyde group is an electron withdrawing group and they deactivates this benzene ring at ortho and para position, and therefore this electrophile is substituted by meta position. Means your hydrogen atom of the meta position gets substituted by the NO2 group. Means your product is, this is a C double bond OH alternate carbon atom is position number 3. This position is a meta position. That position here, this hydrogen atom is substituted by NO2 group. Means this electrophile replaced by another electrophile, that is NO2. And this hydrogen and this OH gives H2O. And this compound is known as nitro, म्हणजे मीटा नायट्रो बेंझाल्डिहाइड. nitro benzaldehyde. Means here this benzene aldehyde group deactivates the benzene ring. या अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप मुळे या बेन्झीन रिंगची ऍक्टिव्हिटी कमी केली जाते, डेन्सिटी कमी केली जाते. त्यामुळे ऑर्थो आणि पॅरा पोझिशनला इलेक्ट्रॉनची डेन्सिटी ही काय होते, कमी होते, आणि मीटा पोझिशनला इलेक्ट्रॉनची डेन्सिटी काय होते, वाढते. आणि त्यामुळे येणारा जो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल आहे तो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल हा काय होतो, मीटा पोझिशनला जाऊन अटॅच होतो. आणि म्हणून याला काय म्हणलेलं आहे, दिस अल्डिहाइड ग्रुप और फॉर्माइल ग्रुप इज अ deactivating and meta directing group. Means here benzaldehyde on nitration, this gives nitro benzaldehyde, and this is known as electrophilic substitution reaction. This is the 8th reaction. Then next, here 9th reaction is laboratory tests for aldehyde and ketone. Your 9th reaction, laboratory tests for aldehyde and ketones. Laboratory tests for aldehyde and ketone. Here we know that the general formula of aldehyde is RC double bond OH. This is aldehyde, and general formula of ketone is RC double bond OR. This is the general formula of ketone. In this case, here aldehyde shows reducing properties. Aldehyde shows reducing properties due to the presence of hydrogen atom directly attached to the carbonyl carbon. But here ketone do not show this reducing properties, because in case of ketone they have no hydrogen atoms directly attached to this carbonyl carbon. Means only aldehyde shows reducing properties, ketone do not show reducing properties, because in case of aldehyde, here this is a oxidizable hydrogen atom and therefore it oxidizes easily. We know that aldehyde undergoes easily oxidation to give carboxylic acid. याचं इझिली ऑक्सिडेशन होतं, परंतु कीटोनचं इझिली ऑक्सिडेशन होत नाही ड्यू टू दी प्रेझेन्स ऑफ हायड्रोजन ॲटम डायरेक्टली अटॅच टू दी कार्बोनिल कार्बन. हियर हायड्रोजन ॲटम नॉट डायरेक्टली अटॅच टू दी कार्बोनिल कार्बन and therefore ketone do not show reducing properties but aldehyde shows reducing properties. Means which reducing properties are shown by ketone? That is, here some tests are given. First test is Fehling solution test, then second test is Tollens reagent test, then third test is Chips reagent test. These tests are not given by ketone because ketone do not possess here hydrogen atom directly attached to this carbonyl carbon. Here aldehyde contain oxidizable hydrogen, it oxidizes easily and therefore it undergoes reducing properties. Here distinguishing test between aldehyde and ketone and which reducing properties are shown by aldehyde, that is, first property is, means first test is Fehling solution test. Fehling's solution test. This Fehling solution, it is the mixture of equal amount of Fehling solution A and Fehling solution B. That is, Fehling's A is a aqueous copper sulfate solution and Fehling's B is a alkaline sodium potassium tartarate. These two solutions, Fehling's A and Fehling's B, equal volume, we get here Fehling's solution. Here when here aldehyde is heated with Fehling's solution. Aldehyde general formula is, that is R C double bond OH. When heated with Fehling solution formula is twice of Cu 2 plus 5OH minus. This total is known as Fehling's solution. Here heat, that time this hydrogen atom of the aldehyde group gets oxidized to give a carboxylate ion. Means this hydrogen gets oxidized. Here oxygen atom is added to this, attached to this carbon atom, then we get here R C double bond O minus, and this is known as carboxylate ion. Here this hydrogen atom and here these 5 hydrogen atoms, this hydrogen atom total 6 hydrogen atoms, means this 5 hydrogen atoms and this one is 1 hydrogen atom, total 6 hydrogen atom, and here this aldehyde when heated with Fehling solution, then this gives a red precipitate of cuprous oxide. The Fehling solution, color of Fehling solution is deep blue color. This deep blue color disappears and we get here red precipitate of cuprous oxide. that is Cu2O. This is the red precipitate of cuprous oxide is obtained. In this case, here this is aldehyde. Aldehyde undergoes oxidation to give a carboxylate ion. या ठिकाणी ऑक्सिजनची काय होते ॲडिशन होते. ऑक्सिजनची ॲडिशन झाली, हायड्रोजन काय झाला रिमूव्ह झाला, म्हणजे या अल्डिहाइडचं काय झालं ऑक्सिडेशन झालं. देन दिस अल्डिहाइड गिव्स अ कार्बोक्सिलेट आयन. मीन्स R C double bond O, here O. then Cu2 यातला एक ऑक्सिजन म्हणजे Cu2O. दिस इज Cu2O. म्हणजे दोन ऑक्सिजन या ठिकाणी अटॅच झाली. एक ऑक्सिजन इथे गेला, दुसरा ऑक्सिजन या ठिकाणी गेला. राहिले ऑक्सिजन किती 3 ऑक्सिजन राहिले. नंतर हे 5 हायड्रोजन, हा एक हायड्रोजन, म्हणजे टोटल हायड्रोजन झाले 6 हायड्रोजन आणि 3 ऑक्सिजन गिव्स दॅट इज thrice of H2O. 6 हायड्रोजन 3 ऑक्सिजन gives thrice of H2O. In this reaction, here this aldehyde gets oxidized to give a carboxylate ion, and therefore it acts as a reducing agent. It acts as a reducing agent. It undergoes oxidation. In presence of mild oxidizing agent like Fehling solution. This is a mild oxidizing agent. Mild oxidizing agent. Here aldehyde get this aldehyde. हा aldehyde काय करतो स्वतःच ऑक्सिडेशन करतो आणि दुसऱ्याला मात्र तो काय करतो रिड्यूस करतो. म्हणून याला काय म्हणलेलं आहे दिस शोज रिड्यूसिंग properties. This Cu2 plus is reduced to give a Cu plus. Means या ठिकाणी Cu वरती किती चार्ज आहे 2 प्लस चार्ज. टू गिव या Cu वरती जर आपण चार्ज कॅल्क्युलेट केला तर या Cu वरती चार्ज +1 आहे. 2 Cu वरती 2 + 2 चार्ज, एका Cu वरती +1 चार्ज. Here oxidation number decreases. +2 to +1. Oxidation number decreases means this Fehling solution is that is it undergoes reduction. ज्याचं ऑक्सिडेशन होतं तो काय असतो रिड्यूसिंग एजंट आणि ज्याचं रिडक्शन होतं तो काय असतो ऑक्सिडायझिंग एजंट. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी दिस Fehling solution reduces aldehyde to give a carboxylate ion. Here red precipitate of cuprous oxide is formed. Deep blue colored solution of Fehling solution disappears and a red colored cuprous oxide solution is formed, and this is the first test, that is a Fehling solution test. Then second test, that is B, Tollens reagent or Tollens reagent test, or this is also known as silver mirror test or silver mirror test. This Tollens reagent is a ammonical silver nitrate solution. Ammonical silver nitrate solution means this is the combination of AgNO3 plus NH4OH. याच्या कॉम्बिनेशनला काय म्हटलेलं आहे Tollens reagent, and is also known as ammonical silver nitrate solution. And when here aldehyde is heated with ammonical silver nitrate solution means Tollens reagent, then this Tollens reagent reduced a black precipitate of silver, metallic silver. Here reaction is first, in case of aldehyde general formula is RC double bond OH plus Toland's reagent formula is twice of AgNH3 twice plus charge plus thrice of OH minus, and this total is known as Toland's reagent. Here phenaldehyde is heated with Toland's reagent, then this Toland's reagent reduces aldehyde to give a black precipitate of silver. Black precipitate of silver is known as silver mirror. Means this Ag plus reduced to give a Ag, that is here twice of Ag gives a black precipitate, and this precipitate is known as silver mirror. This is known as silver mirror. Here this aldehyde contains hydrogen atom attached to the direct carbonyl carbon, therefore they show reducing properties, because here oxidizable hydrogen, it oxidizes easily. Means this hydrogen removed and oxygen is attached to this carbon atom, then we get here carboxylate ion, that is R, this C double bond O and O minus. This is known as carboxylate ion. This twice Ag gives a black precipitate known as silver mirror, plus here NH3 2 times, 2 into 2, 4 times NH3 means plus NH3, 4 NH3 ammonia gas plus 4 NH3, या ठिकाणी Ag गेलेला आहे, NH3 गेला, राहिलं काय पहा, इथं एक ऑक्सिजन गेला, राहिले इथं 2 ऑक्सिजन, हायड्रोजन, हे 3 हायड्रोजन आणि हा एक हायड्रोजन, टोटल 4 हायड्रोजन्स means plus, that is twice of H2O, 4 hydrogen, 2 oxygen. Here in this case, this aldehyde gets oxidized to give a carboxylate ion. This is a carboxylate ion. Means oxidation of aldehyde takes place and it forms a carboxylate ion. Aldehyde easily gets oxidized to give a carboxylic acid, and therefore it acts as an reducing agent. This is a reducing agent with mild oxidizing agent like Toland's reagent. This is a mild oxidizing agent. Then here this silver reduces to silver metal. Ag get a positive charge, means Ag plus, या Ag वरती कोणता चार्ज आहे, +1 चार्ज आहे, या Ag वरती चार्ज नाही, म्हणजे Ag0. Here oxidation number decreases and therefore this Toland's reagent undergoes reduction. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी ऑक्सिडेशन, अल्डिहाइड स्वतःच काय करतो, ऑक्सिडेशन करून घेतो आणि दुसऱ्याला मात्र काय करतो, रिड्यूस करतो. म्हणून याला काय म्हणलेलं आहे, दिस शोज रिड्यूसिंग प्रॉपर्टीज. दिस इज द सेकंड रिड्यूसिंग प्रॉपर्टी, that is Toland's reagent test. In this test aldehyde when heated with Tollens reagent or ammonical silver nitrate solution, then this Tollens reagent reduces aldehyde to give a black precipitate of silver, metallic silver, is known as silver mirror. And this is the second reducing properties of aldehyde. But ketone do not show this property because ketone do not contain here hydrogen atom directly attached to the carbonyl oxygen, and this ketone do not oxidize easily. Therefore, ketone do not show reducing properties. Only aldehyde shows this reducing property, that is Tollens reagent with the Tollens reagent. Then third reaction, that is third distinguishing test, is Gibbs reagent test. Gibbs reagent test. In this Gibbs reagent test, this Gibbs reagent is a colorless solution. When aldehyde is treated with Gibbs reagent, when aldehyde is treated with Gibbs reagent, or Gibbs reagent solution in cold condition, then this is a colorless solution. Aldehyde added to the Gibbs reagent, then this colorless solution turns, that is a deep red color solution or pink color solution or magenta color solution. Then this indicates here Gibbs reagent reduces aldehyde, and we get here color change, that is a deep red color or pink color is formed. Means this indicates that Gibbs reagent reduces aldehyde to give a deep red color, and this is the third test, that is distinguishing test between aldehyde and ketone. Here ketone does not oxidize easily by using oxidizing agents like Gibbs reagent, Tollens reagent or failing solution. Therefore, they do not give this test. Here failing solution, Tollens reagent test and Gibbs reagent, they reduces aldehyde, and therefore they show reducing properties of aldehyde, and ketone do not show this reducing properties. Then next, laboratory tests for ketone. These are the laboratory tests for aldehyde. Then laboratory tests for ketone. Laboratory tests for ketone. Laboratory tests for ketone or sodium nitroprusside test. Laboratory tests for ketone or sodium nitroprusside test. In this test, when freshly prepared sodium nitroprusside is added to the ketone, then this mixture is shake well, then add NaOH solution drop by drop, then we get here a red colored solution appears, and this shows that ketonic group is present in this compound. Means when ketone, for example acetone, Here freshly prepared sodium nitroprusside solution is added to the ketone. Then this solution is shake well and add NaOH solution drop by drop. Then we get here red colored solution, and this indicates that the given compound is ketone. Here first this acetone reacts with OH minus. आता हा OH कुठून आला तर NaOH मधला OH. Then this OH abstracts hydrogen and forms water molecule, and we get here CH3 C double bond O, here CH2 minus, CH3 C double bond O, CH2 minus. This is known as carbanion ion or anion of ketone. This hydroxyl group abstracts hydrogen to give a water molecule, and remaining are CH3 C double bond O, CH2 minus. This is known as carbanion ion or anion of ketone. Then this anion of ketone reacts with here CH3 C double bond O, CH2 minus, reacts with here nitroprusside solution. Nitroprusside formula is FeCN5NO2 minus. This is the formula of nitroprusside. This is the anion of ketone. Then here it is heated. Then we get a product that is FeCN5NO. Okay, आणि this is like Fe, then CN5NO, then the CH3CO, CH2, CH3CO, CH2. This anion of ketone contains -1 charge. This nitroprusside contains -2 charge, means total charge is -3. Total charge that is -3, and this forms as a red colored complex compound. The red colored complex compound is formed, and this indicates that ketonic group present in the compound. Means here laboratory test for ketone, sodium nitroprusside test, means in this test when here so freshly prepared sodium nitroprusside is added to the ketone, then this gives a red colored solution. First freshly prepared sodium nitroprusside is taken in, added in ketone, then this solution is shake well, then add NaOH solution drop by drop, then we get here a red colored solution. Means here first NaOH मधला जो OH आहे तो OH या ॲसिटोन बरोबर रिॲक्ट होतो आणि त्याच्यापासून काय मिळतो anion ऑफ कीटोन. हा OH ग्रुप यामधला हायड्रोजन काढून घेऊन त्यापासून काय तयार करतो वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल तयार करतो, and then this anion of ketone reacts with nitroprusside and we get here red colored solution, and we get here red colored solution, and this indicates that ketonic group, that is C double bond O group, is present in that compound. Means this is the laboratory test for ketone. Means today here 3 tests are reducing properties shown by aldehyde, that is first Helling solution test, second Tollens reagent test, third Gibbs reagent test, and your laboratory test for ketone by using sodium nitroprusside test. या ठिकाणी हा टेस्ट संपलेला आहे. थँक यू.